Technology in motion. Witness the power of modern engineering in action as machines conquer challenges. From cutting-edge precision to raw strength, this is innovation at its peak. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let's dive right in. Tree trimming at heights is serious business. You need the proper equipment, accurate tree assessment, and a head for heights. But teamwork is key. Even the most skilled climber relies on their team for safety and support. In Germany, and it was incredible. These guys were working in extreme weather conditions, but they had all the right tools and technology to get the job done. It really highlights how advanced our technology has become. Seriously, nobody wants to find themselves in a situation like this. We've got a hollow tree on our hands, folks. That means we need to proceed with extreme caution. There are a lot of unknowns here, so let's make sure we have a solid plan and all the right tools before we make the first cut. All right, everyone, gather round. You've got to see this incredible invention. I'm sure some of you will want to get your hands on it, probably as soon as possible. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Storm Sandy really did a number on this tree, leaning it precariously and making it a hazard. Felling it safely was a challenge, and it highlights why respecting the power of trees is so important. Man, this really shows you gotta be careful out there and never get too cocky, you know. Always respect the situation. Trees, man, they're like, surprise, I'm falling this way. You never really know what they're gonna do. Man, I've spent hours fighting with stumps in my yard, but this tractor, it just made that stump look like a weed. This Deutz Fahr Agritron, with its 203 horsepower engine, is a beast. Anyone else feeling jealous right now? This road is truly a powerhouse. Any logger will tell you this terrain is a nightmare, but not for this tough truck. With skilled driving and raw power, it powers through this muddy climb. And wow, that engine sounds incredible, doesn't it? Have you ever wondered what it takes to build a road through the wilderness? It's a fascinating process, full of unexpected challenges. Clearing the trees alone is a huge effort, and hauling those massive logs out of the mountains. This video takes you right into the heart of the action, as a new work road is carved through the forest. Listen closely and you'll hear the saws crunch, biting into a stump, the shovels thud against the rock, and the creaks and groans of heavy equipment. It's a symphony of sounds that tells the story of human determination, meeting the raw power of nature. Pezzolato TLA-15 is a high-production firewood processor designed for optimal efficiency. Key features include a 1,500 mm diameter disc blade, capable of processing logs up to 590 millimeters in diameter. The TLA-15 system uses a 3-machine configuration to achieve a production capacity of 570 cubic meters or 160 bulk quarts per day. This system is perfect for large-scale firewood and charcoal operations, where maximizing throughput is essential. In the aftermath of the Hakkasan flood, forestry experts played a crucial role in mitigating damage and facilitating recovery. Their expertise in hydrology and geomorphology enabled them to efficiently identify critical drainage points and remove debris, obstructing natural water flow. This intervention minimized further erosion and facilitated the restoration of the ecosystem's equilibrium by strategically clearing debris and restoring natural drainage channels. These experts significantly reduced the impact of the flood on the local environment and infrastructure. Ever milled a log this big? We're talking 5 feet to inches in diameter. But this giant log threw them a curveball. They were using our cut roll, cut drop technique when suddenly, bam, saw clutch failure. But like any good woodsman, they had a backup, the legendary Style 0, 9-0. It was a battle of man and machine against nature, and in the end, they prevailed. Stick around to see the dramatic finish. Incredible! This Fiat 80-90 is a force of nature. Witness its awesome power as it conquers the most challenging terrain. This video will leave you speechless. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer capability of this forestry machine. Ever tried dropping a tree? It's a wild ride. You can plan all you want, but in the end, that tree is gonna do what it wants. Guess in the end, we still can't beat Mother Nature, huh? San Rosendo, a picturesque town in southern Chile, plays a crucial role in the regional forestry sector. This small yet bustling community serves as a key transport hub where major roadways intersect. Its prime location makes San Rosendo an essential part of the forestry supply chain, streamlining timber transportation. Need to clear land fast and efficiently? The Volvo EW180E is the ultimate land clearing machine, featuring powerful hydraulics that make felling and removal effortless, with a durable undercarriage ensuring stability on rugged terrain. This beast delivers unmatched efficiency. Even the toughest stumps stand no chance against the EW180E, making land clearing smoother and quicker than ever. After heavy rainfall in Hakkasan, Ishikawa, fallen tree removal becomes a priority. This task is about more than clearing roads. It is about public safety and restoring daily life. Fallen trees pose major hazards, especially on major highways. But there are challenges: high volume, tough conditions, and limited access. Modern machinery plays a vital role, reducing manual labor, speeding up the process, and most importantly, keeping cleanup crews safe in harsh conditions. Wow, just incredible, unbelievable. Man, that bird tree is in rough shape. Looks like a storm knocked it down and left it hanging. Check out how the trunk split. That makes it really unpredictable. His saw is stuck. What is he gonna do now? Whoa, that is a bold move. Maybe a bit risky, but I guess he knows what he is doing. finally got that beast down that was close. Check out this brilliant setup, a Multitech 1620 SS. There is more. Someone cleverly added a custom tumbler. Imagine how much simpler that makes handling wood. And the best thing is customers receive a flawless load. It is a smart idea that gets people talking. Who designed this and where can I get one? Ever struggled with a tough stump? Which is why I am amazed by wood devil cone splitters. They are like the champions of wood splitting. Picture a twisting cone, spinning with a unique double thread, ripping through even the thickest trunks. It is mesmerizing. From DIY projects to serious forestry work, they have got a splitter that even mounts on excavators. It is not just about power, it is smart engineering. This is seriously impressive. A custom-built firewood processor, powered by a 64 horsepower VW Caddy engine. That is true innovation at its best. Integrating 3 hydraulic circuits demonstrates a deep grasp of mechanics, and engineering using an HW60 substructure adds both durability and balance for a stable and long-lasting machine. This is not just about function. It makes a bold statement, showing what skill and dedication can create with effort and a little backyard creativity. Even in the harsh Siberian winter, the logging industry in Tomsk's Pervomaysky district remains fully active. Trucks loaded with freshly cut timber push through the ice and snow, braving treacherous routes. Oh wow, this is hands down the best splitter design I have seen. It is simple, requires just one motion, eliminates multiple safety concerns, and is fast. Brilliant work. In this impressive display of efficiency, heavy logs are effortlessly lifted by helicopter, soaring through the sky with ease. Each log is carefully secured and transported with precision, reaching its destination in no time. The operation runs like clockwork, fast, smooth, and perfectly coordinated. No delays, no obstacles, just seamless transportation from start to finish, ensuring the job is done quickly and efficiently. While this wood chipper does its job well, safety concerns should not be ignored. Installing guards or shields to protect the operator from flying debris and the cutting blades is crucial. Having emergency shut-off switches within easy reach is a must. Prioritizing safety not only protects workers, but also improves productivity, creating a more efficient workspace. Here, we see the crane at work, skillfully removing a tree stump with ease. First, it begins by digging around the base, carefully loosening the earth to expose the stump. With perfect precision, The crane's powerful arm lifts the stump from the ground, effortlessly extracting it without disturbing the surrounding area. Once the stump is removed, the crane smoothly fills the hole, restoring the site to its original state. Every step is executed flawlessly, with no delays, just a smooth, efficient operation from start to finish. This historic mill and box factory is like stepping into the past. Seeing these steam-powered machines still running is like watching history in motion. It is truly a sight to behold, a tribute to the ingenuity and perseverance of past generations. You know what is fascinating? These old logging machines carry incredible stories. Picture this: the same gear your grandfather used, still going strong today. It is like seeing history in motion. And the best part, they are not just museum relics. They are still putting food on tables, keeping local economies alive. This is unbelievable. The Vermeer 630A is a true David versus Goliath machine in the forestry world. Watch how this compact beast takes on a stump far larger than itself and wins. A perfect example of power and efficiency, showcasing brilliant engineering at its finest. Wow, this guy is completely fearless. Even someone with no experience cutting trees can see how risky this is. No one should ever attempt this. It's just insane. I could go on and on about why. This was an accident waiting to happen. The notch is off. The tie-in point is way too low. This is why you call in a pro. This guy is clearly improvising. No helmet, no rigging. The limb was tied off incorrectly, presenting a small challenge. And the chainsaw seems to be a bit unreliable, probably a cheaper model. Yeah, obviously skilled professionals. Not many can add ventilation and build an external stairway to the attic as quickly as this. Looking for a stump grinder that's as tough as it is efficient? Look no further. This excavator attachment features a direct transmission system for optimal power and speed. While its durable tungsten teeth make easy work of any stump, maneuverability no problem. This grinder swings side to side, eliminating stumps wherever they are. You know, it's funny. We think we're so smart with our gadgets and gizmos, but Mother Nature always has the last laugh. She's full of surprises, that's for sure. Keeps us on our toes. So, we've got quite a situation here. This logger really knows his craft. He's got the skills and experience to back it up. But today, luck just isn't on his side. It really makes you think. Maybe he's pushing his luck a little too far. Things are definitely getting tense here. The Euro for 3220 faced a real challenge with unsuitable tires and no central tire inflation for that terrain. But the driver's skill prevailed, proving that experience and determination can overcome equipment limitations in tough situations. Man, this guy needs to listen to his wife more. At least she knows this stuff is dangerous. Hey folks, check this out. This is some serious tree work happening here. Now, I want you to pay close attention to what this logger is doing. Notice the way he's making those cuts. That's not just random chopping. That's precision work, folks. He's thinking several steps ahead, anticipating how the tree will fall. It's a real nail biter, isn't it? What do you think is gonna happen next? Drop A1 in the comments if this video blew your mind. Your support is what drives our creativity. This tree was a real danger, engulfed in flames and leaning dangerously over the road. Its imminent collapse could block the road or cause a disaster. Immediate removal was the only option to ensure safety for the public's well-being. This wild contraption was built by an old farmer out in Durton, New South Wales, Australia. He grows vegetables and melons, and he says he can harvest 100 tons a day with this machine. Whether that's true or not, you've got to admit, this machine is really impressive. Ever wonder how they keep power lines clear? Well, check this out. This is the Rocco Morbark T71 aerial trimmer, and it's a real game changer, like a giant mechanical arm that can trim trees with incredible accuracy. But here's the really cool part. It can move in all sorts of ways, like a crab. Seriously, it can turn on a dime. It's perfect for working in those narrow corridors where power lines run. Pretty neat, huh? The 1470G harvester equipped with the H-15 head features intelligent boom control and a 360-degree rotating cab for optimal operator visibility and control. This configuration enhances productivity, even in challenging terrain, including snow-covered environments. The advanced control systems and telematics capabilities ensure maximum uptime and efficiency. This machine is really a beast. Check this out. This stump grinder is amazing. It's super effective, environmentally friendly, and so easy to use. Clear those stumps in a flash with minimal mess. You'll be amazed how quickly you can transform your land. The production of red cedar shakes involves harvesting Western red cedar Doucha placota from sustainably managed forests in British Columbia. The logs are then transported to a mill in Maple Ridge, where skilled artisans utilize splitting and resawing techniques. This process yields shakes with a naturally textured surface and varying thicknesses, contributing to the unique aesthetic and enhanced weather resistance of cedar shake roofs. Imagine this, a snowy wilderness, towering pines, and a helicopter buzzing through the air, carrying massive logs. It's a real thing. Winter logging by air is a fascinating dance between man and machine against harsh nature. Pretty cool, huh? Glulam, or glued laminated timber, represents a cutting-edge engineered wood product manufactured by bonding layers of dimensional lumber. With high-strength adhesives, Glulam offers exceptional structural performance. The process involves selecting premium lumber and then precision bonding under immense pressure. This results in a product with superior strength-to-weight ratios compared to traditional lumber, allowing for longer spans and unique architectural designs. It's a sustainable and aesthetically pleasing material, ideal for modern construction. This land clearing machine, a forestry mulcher for excavators, is a relentless powerhouse capable of handling any tree in its path. Grinding it down into mulch, its strength is remarkable. This log and soil road construction method is a time-tested technique ideal for terrain with elevation changes and challenging landscapes. By using readily available materials, such as logs and soil, it provides a cost-effective way to access remote locations. The logs create a solid foundation, effectively distributing weight, while the compacted soil forms a durable, driving surface. However, it is important to recognize its limitations in terms of longevity and its ability to withstand extreme weather conditions. Ever wondered how they get rid of those massive tree roots without tearing up everything? I found this amazing technique. Imagine a water jet so strong it cuts through solid wood. These specialized HD systems operate at an incredible 500 bars pressure. When that nozzle digs underground, it is like a magic wand breaking down roots. What is even cooler is how precise it is, causing minimal disruption to the area. What you are watching is the future of railway-type processing. This Pendu system is not just an automated assembly line. It is a masterpiece of precision engineering. It starts with the trim saw, ensuring exact dimensions, crucial for perfect trackage. Next, the curve saw creates a precise alignment groove, guaranteeing proper rail positioning. Manual marking is outdated, the stamper does it all. The incisor increases preservative absorption, significantly extending tie lifespan. Lastly, the plating station applies those crucial tie plates for rail stability. Before the multi-tier sorter arranges everything for transport. Check this out, a Tiger Cat 1075B, a true workhorse stuck in deep mud. Imagine the situation: wheels spinning, mud flying everywhere but no movement, completely stuck. Talk about a rough day at work. Who else has been there? Luckily, a tractor came to the rescue and pulled it free. Just a reminder, we all need a hand sometimes, right? This Pizzolato PTH140 1000 is an absolute monster with its 1150 horsepower Cat engine, delivering serious power for high-demand tasks. A processing rate of 300 cubic meters per hour lets it handle enormous amounts of wood with unmatched speed and efficiency. Its massive drum size allows it to process logs that other shredders would struggle with, perfect for high-volume forestry production. Is a serious challenge, especially in remote regions with poor infrastructure. But these Belarus tractors get the job done. Their rugged build and powerful engines allow them to handle rough terrain and haul massive loads. But that road is definitely taking a hit. Hopefully they plan for repairs after this demo. This machine is truly impressive. The SP8018 grinder effortlessly tackles massive tree stumps, turning them into valuable biomass, capable of processing stumps up to 160 cm. Its sheer power and efficiency are mind-blowing. It makes you appreciate the engineering behind it. How they designed such a beast is truly remarkable. Owning one of these will set you back anywhere from 50 grand to 100 grand. This is a great example of an efficient wood splitter. The builder used a 3-phase, 5 kilowatt motor for maximum output, and the large wheel diameters, 12 centimeters on the engine, 21 centimeters on the reducer, provide excellent mechanical efficiency. With a cycle rate of 20 splits per minute, it is both productive and safe. This machine reflects the builder's skill and precision engineering. This is not just a wood processor. This is a game changer. The Pezzolato TLC13 features a 13mm cutting disc, capable of handling logs up to 520 millimeters thick. But the real innovation: integrated splitting. Cutting and splitting in one seamless motion. With 45 tons of splitting force and a 45 kilowatt electric motor, this machine processes even the toughest wood, maximizing productivity while minimizing waste. Handling massive amounts of scrap metal in a tight port environment is no easy task. You need power stability and adaptability. That is where the Cenobigin 875E crawler proves its worth. Its crawler tracks provide excellent grip, ensuring stability on uneven terrain. Customizable booms and grapples mean it can handle a variety of materials and operational needs. For mid-river terminals, this boosts efficiency and reduces downtime. A win-win situation. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate you taking the time to watch our video all the way to the end. Your support means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing to Heavy Tech Zone, you'll never miss out on our latest episodes and exciting updates. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and thank you for being a part of our journey.